So I just saw Endgame and it was freaking epic. I was searching online for Endgame stuff and then Google Ads, you know they work, was like, hey, the Infinity Gauntlet's on sale at Toys R Us. So I ran to Toys R Us on my way home and got the Thanos Infinity Gauntlet. Now this is from Infinity War, so I'm a bit late, but I don't care. That movie hyped me up so much, Endgame, that I wanted this gauntlet. So this is the front of the gauntlet, one side, the back, the other side. Here's the top. And the bottom. So here we have tape, just cut it like that. Whoa! So we have some instructions. Oh! And the box empty. It is huge, man. It is the size of Thanos' hand. What? Lots of tape down here. Oh! There it is, guys. Oh! Look at that. Oh! Let's take a quick look at the instructions. So here's the Legend Series Gauntlet instructions. So there's a lock for display mode, and then there's some rings on the inside that you can pull to move the articulated fingers. You can press all the stones to activate lights and sounds. It requires 3 batteries, and that is it. The top here has a cover, and then you need a screwdriver. Too excited to find a screwdriver, so I'm just going to use these pair of scissors. So here is where you insert 3 AAA batteries. Whoops, I made a mistake. It's actually AA, not triple. The bigger ones. Okay, so I just ran upstairs as fast as I can to get AA batteries. Okay, so now the AA batteries fit. AA, not triple. You need triple AA's. Let's put this in. Hurry, screw in, damn it. So now you wear the gauntlet and feel the power. Oh! I didn't even know what it looked like because I was staring at the camera. So all you have to do is pull any of the fingers and it'll light up. Okay, let's see what happens when you pull each finger. Okay, so we have soul, reality, space, power, time, and mind. None of these stones, the smaller ones here, are buttons. So nothing happens if you press it. Only the mind stone is a button that plays a different sound. Then when you pull the fingers, it uses that sound. It just sounds like the fingers are moving. But by pressing the actual mind stone, I believe that's the sound that the movie plays when he actually activates the stones. My hands are pretty big. I find I just am able to reach the rings on the inside. The rings just happen to hit the tips of my fingers. So you kind of do need a pretty big hand. The 4 fingers in the front I can grab easily. The thumb's a bit of a challenge. I can't grab that one without adjusting for my thumb. Either way, it is extremely cool, you know. Yeah! Put her there. What? Here is a lock. So when you activate the lock, you can pull down all the fingers and they will stay locked. So you can remove your hand and keep it as a display. What? Bro fist. Yeah! Now you can see here, this is how tightly the fingers go in. Whoops. Yeah, so the fingers don't really squeeze with that much pressure, so you can't really pick something up with it. Oh, kind of. Could kind of pick it up. Got this box. That didn't work. Okay, so you can hold it like this. Okay, so you know what? You can't pick anything up with this. What? So this is how the gauntlet glows in the dark. So after 30 seconds or so, if you don't touch the gauntlet, then the lights should just automatically turn off. So that's my review of the Infinity Gauntlet. Thanks for watching. Quick shout out to my father-in-law's channel. He's been doing cartoons for a local newspaper for over 20 years. Now I'm helping him show his skill and work through YouTube. He has videos on how to draw simple cartoons and nicely animated strips. So if you'd like to, check him out. Other than that, be sure to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. I am inevitable.